Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two of the most exciting cloud-based coding platforms in 2025, Bolt and Replit. Whether you are a student, indie hacker, or professional developer, you'll want to know which one is truly worth your time. Let's jump right in. Overview. First, let's talk about what they are. Replit has been the go-to cloud IDE for years, with support for over than 50 languages, multiplayer coding, and even AI pair programming with Ghostwriter. Bolt, on the other hand, is the newer kid on the block, gaining massive traction in 2025 for its ultra-fast performance, minimalist design, and seamless deployment tools. Features breakdown. Now let's break down their core features. For the coding experience, Replit offers a familiar IDE-like experience with built-in version control, AI coding assistant, and terminal access. Bolt prioritizes speed, lightning-fast startup, auto-save, and list blot, great for focused development. AI integration, Replit Ghostwriter is advanced, context-aware, and supports code generation, refactoring, and even debugging. Bolt AI is simpler but still useful, mainly focused on auto-completion and explaining codes. For the collaboration point, Replit wins big here with real-time multiplayer coding, chat, and GitHub integration. Bolt is more individual-focused, but has recently introduced lightweight sharing features. When talking about the deployment and hosting, Bolt one-click static site and back-end deployments with automatic HTTPS, fast and easy. Replit is still powerful, but requires more configuration for advanced apps, pricing, and limitations. Replit Free Plan offers basic compute power, with Ghostwriter and private ripples locked behind the paid tiers starting at $20 per month. Bolt offers generous free limits with fast builds, but advanced features like serverless functions and custom domains are in the paid tier, starting at $12 per month. For casual users or hobbyists, Bolt's free tier might feel more performant, but for AI heavy workflows and team collaboration, Replit Pro is still a strong value. Verdict. So which is the best in 2025? It depends on who you are. If you need AI help, multiplayer editing, and support for a wide range of languages, Replit is still your best bet. But if you want blazing speed, simpler tools, and a sleek interface for personal projects, Bolt might be your new favorite. My take, if you are just getting started or just want a fast dev environment with easy deployment, Bolt is fantastic. But if you are building complex apps with a team or rely on AI, Replit still leads. So, which one are you using in 2025? Bolt or Replit? Drop a comment down below and let me know. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.